Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about what you can do with your widgets. In this case, we'll use a button. We're going to create a folder called widgets and open our text editor Visual Studio Code and create a new file button .py and import our Tkinter library from Tkinter import good and create our root equal Tk and root point geometry 300 by 300 with this method to size our window and root point main loop. So create our button, my button equal button root, because our button will be inside the root and we start using properties like text equal click me example and font equal Arial black 14, right, and we're gonna run my program city widget city widget widgets city widgets good and okay, this is my window and we're gonna work my button. We're going to add other properties like active background equal example to ECC 71 and run. Oh, good. I need to location for my button point path and run. Good. This is my window and my button. Click me. Good. And I'm going to change this letter. Click me. Good. And a active background property. With this action, we can indicate what background color should be used when the mouse cursor is positioned on the widget. For example, run green. Good, and you can use other property like active foreground equal white and run. Good. the letters are white. And you can use other property like width equal 10 example, and height equal 5, and run. You can see the change here, and I'm going to add other properties like, for example, anchor. Okay, anchor equal s. You can run s and east. Oops. Okay. East, and you can use W example, run W, and center. It's in the center of my button. And you can use other properties like background, for example, background equal blue, right? And border width equal 10, and run. My border and my background blue, and the action click in my button change the color green and color text white. Okay, you can use other property like cursor is equal hand 1, for example. You can run, change the cursor upon the button. You can use hand 2, run. Okay, good. You can use other property is T button, disable, and run here. The button lost its action, and good. That's all for today. If you like that video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it. See you later.